All right, so just wrapped up this pond renovation. Pond's been existing in the ground for a very long time. Dog's none too happy with me being here. Did a big cleaning, cleaned it up, fixed up some edges, ripped out the old existing waterfall, which was absolutely hideous, and installed a brand new waterfall and stream, new skimmer, new biofalls. Check it out.
Flashback.
All right, what's up, y'all? Bobby with Ponce, checking up on this project we're working on now. This is another phase of a project we did years ago. Big pool, patio, landscaping, all that good stuff. Existing pond here. We did not build. Now we're doing some renovations on it. Go check out, see what the boys are up to. There he is. Time to get to work. Jamming.
Damn.
Oh, you can see behind Keith, existing pond here. Leave that skimmer's coming out, right? New pump, very unattractive waterfall there. Show you a little clip of that right here. Now we're building a new stream, new biofalls, all that good stuff. All the landscaping here, pergola, pool, patio is all existing. Did that 4 years ago, I believe.
The next morning.
All right, checking up on day 2. This water feature redo, rebuild, renovation. Skies are opening up just as I get here. See what's going on. Looks like we got the pond pretty well cleaned up. New biofall set up there. New stream of waterfalls looking in there. Pretty sharp. Boys must be hiding in the truck. I'm gonna go do the same and get out of here.
The next day.
All right, final day. I think this thing is already up and running. Go check out how this pond renovation turned out. All right. There he is, the master over there. All wrapped up, freshened up with some mulch. Water's all cloudy, obviously, because the rocks, the gravel's all dirty. I'll have to come back and get a couple shots. It's all cleaned up, but I'd say it's looking pretty good.
End of flashback.
stuff. Alright, so I think I might have some footage of what this used to look like, at least a picture or two, so we'll show you what that looks like right here. And let's cut to a couple clips of what the whole entire backyard looks like, because we did this whole backyard a few years ago. Pool, patio, pergola, landscaping, all that good stuff.
Like me? If you do, please say.